guys, layering inside Builderall Cheetah Builder or Builderall as it's now called. I've got a really fun game for you to play. I've already uploaded some images onto a blank panel. So you can add a blank panel here, and if you want to add an element on a panel, just drag and drop the photo across. Okay, so Paris, France, one of my favourite countries in the whole world. I've decided to put the lovely Trevor on a bench with some flowers at his feet. So I've downloaded a bench without the background. And then the lovely Trevor, oh dear, how can this happen? So we click on the one at the front and we layer it down. Or layer it up. Hang on a minute. Layer it back up. We've got it right. So, as I said, it's a bit of a game. We've got to make him move up. And then see if he sits on it. There you go, guys. Move him up and him down. Move him across. Stick him on the bench. There you go, the lovely Trevor. And then let's see. See that needs layering up. So we'll just layer up. And again, we're not sure how many times we have to layer it. So there you go. I want the flowers at its feet. Don't you think that's a cool trick? This is just an idea so you can build your layers up and make awesome websites with Builderall. So if you want to try Builderall out, there is a 14-day free trial. I'll put that below. And I'll see you on the next video, guys. Just go and have fun. And if you make something amazing in Builderall, put it in the comments below.